these guys are going. Oh, he's screaming like a little baby. And the police are here. Chase them. They're going on a chase. Hello. Yes, my brother. Hello.
What do you think?
You enjoy Malaysia?
I've been here. This is my 5th time, but I live in China now.
Wow.
I'm a teacher.
Where are you from?
From London.
Yeah, so are us.
Is it, yeah? Oh.
Should be together while worlds do us apart. But the way I feel won't get me through the night.
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia at 2 a.m. in the morning. Is Malaysia a safe place? You know, I've been coming here for years, and for years I've always felt safe. But of course times have changed and things are evolving in Kuala Lumpur. Is Malaysia still a very safe place? For travellers, solo travellers, for people who are looking for a new getaway? And then hopefully this video at night can bring some sense of clarity. If you come here during the day, you will just see like the spectacular monorail and going past. I think the monorail hoping start running around, what is it? I think around 6 a.m. in the morning. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It doesn't feel dangerous at all. I would never do this in the States or even in the UK, you know. Hello, how are you, okay? Good. Yeah, that's a couple right there. They're going along, you know. They're just like, they're curious. They actually scared of the camera. They were like, this camera is a danger, you know. And that's it. There's a guy over there, I don't know if you can see him in the frame. He's probably listening to, or he's talking to someone on the phone. Yeah, 2 a.m. in Malaysia. All right, come and get me. Come and get me. 2 a.m. in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Is this safe? Well, people going about. And these guys, hello. All right. And there's the homeless guy sleeping over there, which is actually quite common here now. And it's really sad to see that. Listen, I am not looking for anything, right? It's just out in the open. I am, like I said, I am one of the few content creators. When I see something and I say it, you know, and I just don't just say it because I just see maybe one, but it's on a daily occurrence now. I see quite a lot of homeless people. Hello. Hi. Hello. I'm just recording a video, really. Yeah.
Hello, video.
You want to say hi?
What are you doing for?
2 a.m. in Malaysia in the morning.
Ah.
Yeah.
Welcome.
There you go. Yeah.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Where's my?
Not very.
You want a chip?
Not very good.
Huh? You want me to try it?
Yeah.
Sure. Why not?
So curly fries.
Yeah. Nice.
They're really nice.
Is it your first time in Malaysia or something?
Yeah, we got here like 7 days ago.
7 days ago.
Try curly
Started
fries.
in Langkawi.
Yeah, take a big one, baby.
Are you
Don't
sure?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, cool.
Let it go, let it go.
No, I don't want to take all of it. There you go. Thank you.
What do you think?
Do you enjoy Malaysia?
I've been here. This is my 5th time, but I live in China now.
Wow.
I'm a teacher.
Where are you from?
From London.
Yeah, so are us.
Is it? Yeah. Oh,
Where else are you from?
I'm from London Bridge area.
So we're Clapham way.
Oh, Clapham.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. I haven't been back to the UK for a while though.
You'll have to come see us.
Yeah.
It's only been a week for us.
Sure, man. What's your guys' name? Emily, yeah. Ellie. Felix.
Maria, lovely to meet you.
Nice. Gorgeous. Oh, there you go. Nice. Chatting with my fellow countrymen brings some profound happiness. Look, they are happy and free. And, they feel safe. On the media they say Muslim countries are dangerous. But coming here is a different reality. No matter what color you are, black, white, brown, pink, you name it. Here, everyone feels safe. Listen, love, I ain't a troublemaker. I'm just speaking the facts, alright? Me, Ellie, is it Ellie or Emily? My memory is like a goldfish. Let's go with Ellie. Ellie sounds good, right? Ellie, it makes me want to dance right now, yeah? I'm gonna dance later, but definitely, yeah. Listen, Paul, they're having a good time, they're traveling. Going back to the UK? Hell no! I will stay in Malaysia. I don't even leave yet. I live in China. I will stay in Asia because it's safer.
Good things come to those who wait. That's what they say. But I've been waiting far too long for some good to come my way. It's always one step forward, 2 steps back, but I won't let it get me down. 'Cause I'm still here and I know this year some good's gonna come around.
Not very,
You want a chip?
not very good.
Huh? You want me to try it?
Yeah.
Sure, why not?
So curly fries.
Ellie, give me fried right. Ooh, Ellie, you're crazy. On a serious note, in the US, in the UK, unfortunately, and there's places, 2 places I used to live there, you understand? When it comes towards safety, at this time, you won't believe it, my setup right now. Let me just take a video and show you, right? And then you're gonna be like, never, my brother, no. This is too bright. 1 second, let me just wipe my lens. I want you to have everything in full HD quality. This is my setup right now, as I speak, right? This is what is happening. I can never do this in the UK at this time of the freaking morning. But this is in the morning, right? I'm recording this. 2 a.m. Okay, fastly approaching to 3 a.m. now. Yeah, the bus stops are deserted. No public services. Whether it be like the buses or the trains are in full operation. They're shut for now. I'm sure around 7 they should come back into action. They'll be active and the city will be bustling as well. And yeah, it feels absolutely safe. I was here the other day, and it's brilliant. In the daytime, the view is awesome. Yeah, the one thing I'll say is like, never come to Malaysia when it's raining season. It's never fun, and that is not an exaggeration. Don't do it. It rains. When it starts raining here, it never stops. It will piss the hell out of you. Now I'm going to talk about the most dangerous thing in Malaysia. Hey bro, how you doing? I want to ask a question. How do you feel like in Malaysia? Is it very safe, right?
It is.
It's very safe, yes?
Yeah.
I've got to sit down here. Hey brother, come on, I ain't doing anything wrong, all right? Okay, so listen, the most dangerous thing here in Malaysia are the food. Mate, I'm legally chubby right now. Emily, making me go crazy, giving me fries. Emily, I'm in love with you now. Emily, if you see this, contact me, I'm in love. Come to China and let's make sweet babies. Oh, I'm so crazy, honestly. Yeah, I'm just relaxing here. Honestly though, the food here, it's quite a touch of class. I'm seeing a lot of foreigners from this side. You know, I'm gonna sit here and just like look at people really. This is actually not 2 anymore. This is 3 a.m. in the morning, 3 in the morning in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is giving me China vibes. Faster motorbikes! I need to speak to some people on camera now. I'm gonna try to get to the KLCC area.
It appears there's a fast and furious racing at 2 to 3 a.m. in the morning. And let's say it's dangerous, but somehow it has a bit of character. It makes Kuala Lumpur a lot more energetic and fun.
Let's cut the time.
Yay!
Let's burn the hole with our hands. Plant our flags on fire.
Slow down, my brothers! These guys are going.
Let's make a
Oh, he's screaming like a little baby. And the police are here.
Yeah, let's make a
Chase them! They're going on a chase! Chase them!
Well, let's keep one alive to tell the tale.
You know. Hello, my brother. How are you? You okay? Good, good. You like Malaysia? You like Malaysia?
Yeah, Malaysia, I like.
Very safe, right? Yeah, good. I see a lot. You're Indian?
From Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Oh, good, good. Sorry, man. Bangladesh, yeah? Bangladesh. Where in Bangladesh you from?
From Dhaka.
Dakar. Oh, Dakar is very good. Salaam alaikum. Take care. All right. Good. So he's from Bangladesh. I see a lot of Bangladeshian and Indians. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, that is so loud.
You had before. We've been promised so much more, and I just can't wait to see what this day brings. Let's make a cake. Yeah, let's make a cake. Let's shine a single beam of light, shine it right up into the sky. Let's make a man into the
What's your guy's
light
name?
of land.
What's your name? Lukman.
Yeah.
You're Muslim, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Muslim.
Fawzan.
Yeah, Viva Muslim. Yeah, from the UK. Yeah, nice to meet you, brother. I'm a videographer. I make YouTube video, so yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, you can speak English a little bit, right?
It's spring. Let's make a cake. Yeah, let's make a cake. Let's make ourselves a cake. Come on now, let's make a cake.
Hello. Yes, my brother. Hello.
Yeah,
Awesome.
let's make ourselves a cake. Let's make a cake. Let's make a cake.
All right, I'm going to wrap this video here to summarize on things that I've had a lot of fun and creating this video. I am not doing Malaysia dirty. Like I said, I don't wake up in the morning thinking of negative video ideas, no. And I am a pragmatic kind of guy, so it's what it is. And I think sometimes my brutal honesty can get me into a lot of trouble at times, you know what I mean? So, well, the good thing is I don't make things up. And I know you're probably experiencing a different side of Malaysia, and you're probably having a spectacular time, or maybe this city, Kuala Lumpur, is not cutting it for you. I don't want to draw into conclusion and say the entirety of Malaysia is not fun or whatever. I think that is so wrong. I've been coming here, this is my 5th time, and there was a period I used to spend quite a lot of time in this country, traveling up and down. And for those who don't know, if you're a newbie, well, let's face it, right? This is the country I used to, you know, I used to travel a lot, you know, and yeah, this is where I opened the channel as well. It's mad. Times have changed, surely. Malaysia is not the place that used to be on the rated. Like I left it, and the past three years or 4 years, I haven't been here, and a lot of change, honestly. And yeah, I think there's a way there should be a system to manage when it comes to us rubbish in the streets, because I've seen quite a lot of plastics being thrown away. But then again, when you get to the downtown area, it's absolutely quite clean, you know. I think the consistency is not there. And so the general feel of the city itself, it feels very safe. You know, no one have to worry at all. I'm talking about 2 a.m. in the morning, people are out there, motorbike, it's very loud. And where I am right now, you can see the KLCC and sign behind me there. And yeah, if you come here during the daytime, it's packed full of people right now. It's completely deserted, you understand? So that just says a lot, you know? And I don't make things up, and if I hurt your feelings, I know, I understand Malaysians' mindset very well, very, very patriotic, you understand? I know where I'm stand, and I know where I'm coming from, you understand? So I would just say, and for what I've seen, surely, and Malaysia, it's a lot more safer than the UK, America. Mate, there's so many like crime happening on a daily in the States, in the UK, you understand? So it is not advisable to do what I do with a massive camera recording. You know how many people might attack me? They will probably want to steal my camera. In fact, they'll be like, don't record, know what you're doing here, you understand? So yeah, you have to be cautious, and if not careful, you might get shot at. In the US, in the UK, you get shanked, you know? And but here, absolutely safe. Look at those ladies over there. At night feels absolutely safe. 3 a.m. in the morning now.
I mean, it's fair to say, saya suka Malaysia. It is not perfect, but surely I prefer this place compared to where I grew up.